Eastbound as you're trying to make your way towards 95. You don't really need to plan ahead with too much extra time at this time. However, do make sure that you're giving yourself maybe another couple extra minutes if you're heading out the door in a little while. So seeing some brake lights, but not as usual. Pavement looks okay as well. Your drive time is going to not really be affected, but again, you may want to just give yourself some extra time if the start of your morning isn't going to start for another little while. 295 speeds were dipping earlier, but things are looking better now as you're traveling all the way from Warwick up to Johnston. And if you're heading on 195 through Fall River, again, just watch out on the westbound side by exit 8A. That's for Route 24. The left lane is still blocked with a crash. It looks good, really, in the southern part of our state, so things are looking nice on the roads as far as the weather goes, though. Heather, I don't know where that came from. I was talking to my friend Heather last night. I guess that was why. Kelly. Sorry.
I have been called worse, so, that's okay. I will take a Heather any day of the week. Wanted to show you what's going on outside because this one shot, and I know we just took it, it tells the whole story going on. This, of course, is our view, and now that we're getting more